If you've been doing Pilates for a while, you probably already have a mat and maybe a pair of leggings you love. But the truth is, there's a whole world of Pilates accessories on Amazon that can completely transform your workout. Tools that improve balance, build strength, and help you connect more deeply to every movement. In this video, we'll uncover 15 unique Pilates accessories you probably didn't even know you needed. Whether you're practicing at home or adding equipment to a studio routine, these products will elevate your core, challenge your control, and make each session more effective. And as always, you can find direct links to each product in the description below, so you can explore them all for yourself. 1. Weighted bangles. We start with something sleek and simple: weighted bangles. These small, wearable wrist or ankle weights add just enough resistance to enhance toning and sculpting in your Pilates sessions. The beauty of bangles is their subtle intensity. They don't disrupt your flow, but they make every movement feel more intentional and grounded. Whether you're performing leg lifts, arm circles, or core work, these bangles subtly increase the challenge without overwhelming your form. They're perfect for anyone looking to deepen muscle engagement and boost calorie burn without adding bulky equipment. Plus, with their minimalist design and comfortable fit, they seamlessly blend into your routine whether you're at home, in the studio, or even on the go. 2. Balance Body Ultra Fit Circle Pilates Ring. Next is the Balance Body Ultra Fit Circle Pilates Ring. Often called the Magic Circle, this tool is a classic in the Pilates world. It offers resistance when squeezed between your thighs, hands, or ankles, helping activate the inner thighs, glutes, chest, and core. Whether you're seated, standing, or on your back, the UltraFit ring gives you feedback and resistance in one elegant package. Its lightweight yet durable build makes it easy to carry and perfect for travel or small spaces. With padded handles on both the inside and outside, it ensures comfort and control during every movement. 3. Pilates Ring Set. If you're looking for more versatility, the Pilates Ring Set 11 PCs offers a full bundle including the circle, resistance bands, and more. This set is perfect for beginners who want a wide range of resistance options in one convenient purchase. It's compact, portable, and great for anyone building out their home Pilates kit. With multiple tools to target different muscle groups, it allows you to customize your workouts and gradually increase intensity as you progress. 4. Fit Simplify Resistance Loop Exercise Bands. Another must-have for resistance training are the Fit Simplify Resistance Loop Exercise Bands. These loop bands come in multiple tension levels and can be used for glute bridges, leg lifts, arm pulses, and more. Lightweight and easy to store, they offer a surprising amount of strength training for such a small tool, great for travel or small space workouts. 5. Ute Non-Slip Pilates Socks. Let's talk about grip. The Ute Non-Slip Pilates socks come in packs of 4 or 6 and are essential for studio classes or hardwood floors. With silicone grips on the bottom, they provide traction and stability while keeping your feet clean and warm. A great blend of function and hygiene, especially for reformer or bar classes. 6. Janua Pilates Board. One of the more underrated tools is the Janua Pilates Board, a foldable, multi-purpose board that simulates a reformer-style surface at home. You can attach resistance bands and simulate various reformer exercises, making it a perfect option for people who want reformer-style resistance training without buying the full machine. 7. Pilates Essentials Kit for Women. Looking for an all-in-one solution? The Pilates Essentials Kit for Women provides a curated set of beginner-friendly tools like resistance bands, a Pilates ring, a ball, and a stretch strap. It's perfect for someone just getting started or looking to create a balanced home routine from scratch. 8. Pro Body Pilates Fitness Circle. The Pro Body Pilates Fitness Circle is another excellent ring, slightly larger at 14 inches, offering firm resistance and comfortable padded handles. It's ideal for mid-level to advanced users who want to intensify their upper and lower body engagement without adding bulk or weight to their practice. 9. Gaiam Pilates Ring Fitness Circle. The Gaiam Pilates Ring Fitness Circle is similar in size, but has a slightly softer squeeze. Great for beginners or those recovering from injury. Gaiam is a trusted brand in wellness, and this circle delivers consistent performance with comfortable grips and flexible tension. 10. Gaiam Yoga Block. For added support in stretches or challenging positions, The Gayam Yoga Block is a versatile tool. While technically a yoga prop, it doubles perfectly for Pilates movements that require spinal support, balance training, or elevation during seated poses. It's lightweight, firm, and latex-free, a great tool for fine-tuning your alignment. 11. Gayam Yoga Knee Pads. Another Gayam accessory worth mentioning is their Yoga Knee Pads set of 2. These portable gel-like pads protect your knees, elbows, or wrists during floor work. If you often feel discomfort during kneeling exercises or arm balances, these pads offer just the right amount of cushion without shifting under pressure. 12. Stretching Strap with Door Anchor. For flexibility training, the stretching strap with door anchor is a game changer. Loop it over a door and use it to improve leg stretches, hamstring lengthening, or posture correction. It's a gentle yet effective way to increase your range of motion without needing a partner or instructor. 13. AeroPilates Box and Pole. Next, we have the AeroPilates Box and Pole, which is ideal for those working with reformers. It adds a new layer to your Pilates practice by allowing deeper stretches, better posture control, and more advanced movements. If you already own a reformer or are considering one, this accessory is the perfect upgrade. 14. Trideer Extra Thick Yoga Ball. One surprisingly effective tool is the Trideer Extra Thick Yoga Ball. Commonly used for stability exercises, it helps build core strength, improves posture, and adds challenge to even basic Pilates moves. It's also excellent for rehab or low-impact routines and can double as an office chair for core engagement while you work. 15. Fitness Exercise Resistance Band Set. Finally, the Fitness Exercise Resistance Band Set rounds out this list. These multi-level bands come with handles and attachments for full-body workouts, whether you're targeting your core, legs, arms, or back. They're excellent for mat Pilates and for adapting exercises you might usually do on a reformer. These 15 Pilates accessories may not all be household names, but once you try them, they might just become your most used tools. They're compact, effective, and designed to enhance your strength, flexibility, and overall control. Whether you're building a home studio, upgrading your gym bag, or simply adding variety to your workouts, these tools will expand your Pilates routine in ways you didn't expect. If any of them caught your eye, you'll find all the product links in the description below to make browsing easy, so go ahead and check them out. Tried one of these before, or do you have a go-to Pilates accessory we didn't mention? Drop a comment and share your favorite. Your tip might help someone level up their routine too. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We've got more wellness gear breakdowns and product tips coming your way, so let us know in the comments. What kind of content do you want to see next? We love hearing from you.